your Yahoo inbox is overflowing with newsletters, promotional emails, and unwanted subscriptions, you don't have to waste time deleting them one by one. Yahoo Mail has built-in subscribe option that makes it easy to stop receiving emails from senders you no longer want. So in just a few clicks, you can clean up your inbox and keep only the messages that matter to you. So in order to do that, go to mail.yahoo.com, log into your account, and after that, select the email or the sender that you want to unsubscribe. Now once you have it opened, scroll all the way down, and there you will see the option of unsubscribe, that is between terms and conditions, and get support. Go ahead and tap on this option. You'll be taken to a new tab where the email format and other options are displayed. Now if you want to go ahead and unsubscribe sender, toggle all the options available in this page. Also, do not forget to turn off other emails such as marketing emails and monthly newsletter or weekly community digest or any referral program notifications. And after that, you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.